Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at how we will be using our sim to test out some single drug treatment plans with our three different drugs that we have available to us that obviously we're using to help figure out how to solve this malaria or combat this malaria problem. So in the video, we're going to be looking to identify two important things. One, how we're going to be creating these different plans with our three drugs, and how we're going to be collecting the treatment data so we can figure out, well, what happened? How did it work? Was it successful? And those sorts of things. So, what's going to happen is in each of the next three tasks, we're going to be creating a different treatment plan. In task 7, we're creating a single drug treatment plan for drug A. In task 9 for drug B. And then obviously in task 10, we're going to create that single drug treatment for C. We're going to start by clicking on the Amplify icon to pull up the sim. And once you're in the simulator, you're going to be following the 5 steps or 5 sections that you see in our data table here. You're going to build your treatment plan. You're going to look to test and see how well it worked with our parasites. You're going to analyze some of the data. You're going to make some observations about the parasites and their resilience. And then you're going to reflect on how well it went. You're going to do that for all three of the drugs. It's the same data table, but obviously you're going to have 3 different treatment plans. So you'll start by reading through the build. The build will tell you how to create your plan. It'll tell you how long the plan needs to go for and what kind of drug and doses you need. Make sure you follow that carefully. So, for example, in the very first one, you'll need a 7-day treatment plan with a small drug A dose. Okay. So you'll start in the malaria page. If you notice, I have day 1, 2, and 3 started with that small dose drug A. And obviously, you'll need to make it 7 days. Once you have all 7 days and you keep adding days on, you'll hit test. And from here, you're going to analyze what's going on and collect some data in our data tables. You're going to need the following. You're going to need this set of histograms here, along with the toggle left and right, to show what's happening over the 10 years we use the drug. And then you're going to need the test results down here, everything from the percentages to the population, the cost, and the side effects. All of these things are going to go into your data table. So when I click back to my task 8, you'll notice here's where you'll put what the percentage of resilience was for each drug. In the test section, in the analyze section, you're going to tell me about the parasite population, cost, and side effects. And then in the observe section, this is where you look at those histograms and tell me about the resilience. Once you're done with this, the part number 5 here, the reflect, you won't need your actual sim page. You'll need to look at all the data here and decide what are the pros of using this single drug A treatment and what are the cons. Once you've completed this one, you'll move on and complete it for B. For B. So you'll switch up the drugs in your treatment plan, collect your data, and reflect and analyze it. And then obviously move on to C. So that's how we create the different treatment plans for the 3 drugs and how we collect the data. If you put your X in yellow or red, reach out and have questions, let me know. Otherwise, good luck.